Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I grabbed my bow. When we came to this golf course pond, we're gonna see what we can do. Collin's got a rod, I got a rod. See if we can stick some fish or catch some fish. Alright, stuff is starting to break the water. Oh shoot, that was a giant gar. I'm gonna kill it next time it comes up. Damn. I don't think I got him. There's Johnny. You got one?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, it's a gar. I'm gonna kill it. Oh no, I missed. Reeled up, reeled up. Oh! Dang! You foul hooked it? That's insane. What is Collin doing? I hope he didn't mess up my rod. Hold.
Collin, I had a gar about this big.
It is pretty large.
Yeah, I foul hooked the tail. It's a big old bass or carp.
Hold on. Still see it?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. It's catfish. It's catfish. Come on.
Okay, hold on.
See it? See it?
No.
See
Oh
it?
yeah, I see it.
Right there, next to the bank.
Did I get it?
You missed him. You missed him.
Keep following it.
It's coming your way. It's coming your way. Oh crap! Michael, hurry up! Hurry up!
I'm trying. Where?
Yeah, it's an easy shot. Michael.
Where?
Here.
Did I hit him?
Right there. See it?
Yeah.
Take your time. Take your time.
What the heck? Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
He's right next to the bank. He's right here. Yeah, he's gone.
No. No, he's not. I was aiming at him.
Then you need to aim a little in front of him.
Under.
In front of him, yeah.
They're further away than they seem. Oh, I see a gar. Got him. Got him.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Pick him up.
Hey boy. Got it?
Yeah. Heck yeah.
That thing out.
I'll show you. This is a big gar.
Wanna come fish over there, Michael?
Here's fine. It's fine. You gonna get a release on this fish? Swim away. Just a little disclaimer, y'all. Alligator gar are an invasive species in Texas, so it's no big deal if I kill one or two. Or five. Yeah. Ew. He's not gonna die. I'm bringing hand sanitizer next time. Alright, let's get another one. What are you doing? What you tying on, Johnny?
Man, I'm gonna be fishing a wacky rig Senko today.
Oh yeah?
Is this little red screen one?
They seem to like that in this pond.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
I got this Strike King kind of sunfish pattern crankbait square bill. What you got there, Collin?
I got Texas rig, plasma worm.
Nice. Let's see what we can do.
The bad thing is it's super clear water.
Oh, I had a bass following my thing all the way in. You got one? Hey, a nice little one. Hey, that's with my rod too.
You want to stay hooked forever, damn it? Hey, don't.
Collin doesn't know how to tie knots.
I haven't broke off in like 4 months.
Oh, that's bullcrap.
You want to bet?
Texas rig.
Okay, big deal. You know it, right?
Yeah, I do.
See, what you learn about Michael is he thinks he knows everything because his dad told him about it. So,
Actually, just because I know more than you. Oh shit. Got one. Woo! Oh yeah! Finesse it. Chill out, bruh. Followed it though. He's gone. Got one. Oh yeah.
Is that a sunfish?
Second cast in a row, got one. Another one. Collin! Number 2 in a row! Got one. Look at that beautiful waterfall. Build up! I told you it works! This water is so clear. One has it. Got him. Oh, that's a better one. Oh! That was a better one. There we go, one's hitting it. Got him. Got one. Ah! Missed him. You have to go home?
Yeah.
Are you gonna run back? You're heading home? Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.